Imagine owning a piece of history on Knott's Island with sweeping waterfront views, stunning sunrises, an open floor plan, 5 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, an in-law suite, stable/barn space, pasture, pond with bridge, whole home generator, a detached 2-car garage space with efficiency apartment and woodworking shop. Add in an RV carport complete with on-site water/septic hookups, Quanset Hut ideal for workshop or events, boat dock with lift, jet ski docks, water/power and 5.6 acres of land, and you've got the perfect place to call home. This is an entertainer's oasis, west/room for a garden and pool. Looking for an investment? The potential for this space as a venue/event location, bed and breakfast, assisted living home, or other income-producing property is all there as well, with the help of rezoning or conditional use permits. The property